Okay. You alright?
Yeah, guess. I don't know where my wrench went though. It's still like that. No. Holy shit, that hurt. Not too bad. Not bleeding right now, but well, if you're trying to take a video of it, let me make it bleed a little bit, make it look like I did something.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're just getting ready for this race that's going on this weekend. You know, just fixing up the car, making sure everything is tight, greasing everything up. So, yeah, we're just up here, you know, in the freezing cold and, you know, doing what we love to do. And that's what it's about, right? So, Dad's welding up the frame, found a couple cracks, so, any race cars, can't believe them. Yep. Really freezing. Am I the only one, or like every time you're up here working in the garage or something and you lose that one wrench that you were looking for? I lost the crescent wrench I had there earlier. Must have died. Nice.
What happened?
Nope, and it didn't die. So I don't know what the problem is. Hold on. Ready? Boom, done. Boom! Let's go. What were you thinking?
I was thinking that I'm gonna keep you with it.
Why would you want to do that?
So I'm
Kind of jacked up. Trish, you dog.
Okay, can you get the, what are you doing? Can you do the wrench on that side and I'll do the gun? Take the reader.
This is your light?
Yeah, it's dying.
That's nice.
Dying. What are we
You want me to
at
get you a
now?
different
We're
one?
even less now.
We are?
Yeah.
How?
That would really loosen us up.
Good morning. It is currently 2:10 in the morning right now. And we are getting ready to go all the way to Phoenix, Arizona. About a 6-hour drive. But yeah, I'm really tired. It means Meg Burrito. Let's get this show on the road, baby. Just show you guys how like thankful I am for all the support for my racing and everything. I just want to like show you guys a little bit about what it's like at the racetrack. Like, let me show you real quick what everybody's doing. Okay, so we got Emily right here, slash the social media slash filmer, you know, right here. She's getting the GoPros ready for some track footage, you know, getting them all testing, ready to go on the car. Then over here, we got Mom. Look at that. She's cleaning the race trailer, making sure everything is organized in the race facility. We go out here. We got my pops and Tyler working away, getting the tires ready for this heat race.
Making this very fast today, baby.
You know what I'm saying? This is what I'm talking about right here. Look at it. Dad focuses on this. Tyler goes puts the tire on. We got this perfect race program going on right here. Emily's asking me questions. Yeah, that looks good. Let's check it out.
Do you like that angle?
I like that angle. That's a good angle. Good job. Proud of you. That's just to show you guys, you know, how great this race team is. I'm so thankful for it. And you know, that's just what it's all about. Having fun, and you know, that's awesome. That's why I come out here and I do what I love to do. How do you feel, Emily? Ready to hill draw, baby. Number 1 through 12. And this man right here, Chase, is gonna draw for me. Why don't you introduce yourself, buddy?
Yo, yeah, I'm Chase.
So yeah, he's gonna be drawing for me. Hopefully he's my good luck. You better draw good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be ashamed if you don't.
See,
You're gonna.
I mean, I hope my dad draws better than you, but
He's looking at.
I'm like looking in there for the 12. Stay in there and zoom in, so you don't have to follow me up.
Yeah,
Zoom in
I
on
need
the
to follow
bullet.
you. I need to zoom in on the pill. You need to show the camera the pill, and then put it back. Give it to the lady.
Sure.
Alright, cool.
Got
I'm gonna go right over your shoulder.
Yeah, right over.
it. Right over my shoulder.
Yep.
You gotta get the mullet in the shot.
38.
No, she said she pulled an 8.
I got so excited.
So ready. He's like,
I finally had the confidence enough to walk up.
Oh, nice. Let's go.
He's walking so fast. The one's still in there. You gotta show the camera once you draw, okay?
Number 1.
Oh my god! Oh my god! There's no way. Let's go.
There's 2 pills in there.
Let's go. Wow. Stop. There's no.
What?
How do we fill 1? He draws a 1.
Okay, don't act happy. Act sad.
Sorry. Okay. Yeah. Shut up.
I'm gonna be smiling the whole
All
time.
right.
Nobody look
Straight
at me.
face. Straight face. You're mad. You're mad that you drew a number 12 for the second time in a day.
Dude, go in and like throw something around.
Yeah, like throw the bike on the ground.
No, go in and like go hit the wall or something.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's pretend. Let's act it like we want.
Go in and hit the wall.
Ready?
Dude, it's so ridiculous. Chase, we literally can't get any luck.
And then, you know, he has no luck. You know,
It's like ridiculous.
He pulled a 12.
You guys are so full of shit. What
You guys are lying.
You guys suck, dude.
Guess what we got?
Guess what we got? Yeah! Chase!
Where's that kid at?
I have no idea.
He's right there, zoom in on
What the heck? We pulled a 1.
He did. He pulled a 1 for me. Oh, for you?
Hey, it was either 1 or like 12.
Buddy. What are the odds for the content though? Like,
I
seriously,
know.
for the video.
Or fate.
The only time I draw 1 is with the video.
Getting ready for our IMC modified main event on the pole in the Wild Thing Racing Maximum Comfort. Frank's Will drilling 38T is going to be Michael Thing. in the air. 25 laps, the distance here tonight for the Modifieds.
Rotating over. No, he thinks the rubber did that.
Couple laps left too, of course.
I think it blistered up. Dad thinks it blistered up.
Guys, look at it. I think it blistered and popped.